Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a hair tutorial on this wig I have on today. It's by a company called Sogoodhair. I recently did a video on one of their wigs before, and it was a deep wave bob, which I'll link down below if you're interested in seeing that one as well. But I got the same texture again, but I got it much longer because I really like this hair, and I was like, you know, you need to hook me up with a longer version because I love it so much. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you how I installed and styled it. It's 150% density, and it's their deep wave curly hair. When the package came, obviously it came with a wig, it came with this wig cap, and it came with some lashes, which is really nice. I really like this hair because it has minimal shedding and it's super soft, and because it's the same texture as the other wig that I've been wearing before, I know that it's really good quality, and for the price I feel like it's really reasonable. But deep wave hair is my favorite texture, so you know I bang out curly hair all the time. It just gives me like holiday vibes, and it's just like, yeah, I love it. But then this is like what it looks like when it's wet. In the tutorial you're going to see how it looks like when it's dry, which is super big, and I feel like for 150% density that's really good. It's a really good amount of hair. So yeah, I'm going to let you guys watch this tutorial. If you're interested in buying this wig, I'll leave all the links down below and the information to this wig and the other wig that I did a video on. So yeah, if you do like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. That'd be amazing, and stay tuned for the tutorial. So this is the hair. I have bleached the knots, and I didn't pluck it because I felt like it was quite nice how it looked basically. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to go in with my contour powder. I like to use my LA Girl Pro Face Powder, and this is in the shade Cocoa, and I just apply that to my wig cap, just like that basically. Oh, okay, so I'm just gonna apply the wig, but I'm gonna cut the lace off after, so I'm just gonna pack the hair out of the way.
Just one of them.
Okay, so I have glued down this hair. I'm just gonna cut off all of the lace. I'm really sorry, but I have like 2 mirrors, so I'm gonna keep like changing from each mirror. Okay, so I've got the headband on to just hopefully let this dry, make it look a bit more realistic. And I'm just going to go and wet my hair, and then once I've wet it, we're going to come back and style it and see what the front is saying, because it was a struggle, but hopefully it's okay. Okay, so I am back. I have wet the hair. I'm just going to take this off. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut these baby hairs and just gel it down.
Just one of them.
I'm just going to be taking some of this leave-in conditioner. I'm just going to be applying this just a bit throughout the hair. finally, I'm going to be taking this, is this a vitamin E oil? And just to give it that wet look, it's really good to like add quite a lot of oil into it.
Boy, you in trouble. Beat up on my drum, boy, I'm in trouble. When I go down, boy, you in trouble. I ain't mess around.